Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Audi R8, a true masterpiece of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of high-performance sports cars, stay tuned because this review will cover everything, from its breathtaking exterior and premium interior to its powerful engine and pricing. Starting with the design, the 2025 Audi R8 maintains its aggressive and aerodynamic stance, but with some refined updates. The sharp LED headlights, large honeycomb grille, and bold air intakes give it an even more menacing look. The side profile is sleek, with sculpted lines that enhance aerodynamics, while the rear features a striking LED taillight design, a large diffuser, and dual exhaust tips that hint at the beast under the hood. Audi also offers multiple customization options, from carbon fiber trims to exclusive paint finishes, making each R8 stand out in its own way. Stepping inside, the cabin is all about luxury and driver-focused technology. Premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber elements are found throughout, giving it a race-inspired yet refined feel. The virtual cockpit digital display replaces traditional dials, providing real-time driving data with stunning clarity. The flat-beam steering wheel is wrapped in fine leather with integrated controls for quick access to drive modes and infotainment features. The sport bucket seats offer excellent support for spirited driving while maintaining comfort for long journeys. Audi's MMI infotainment system is intuitive, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system for an immersive audio experience. Now let's talk performance, the heart of the R8. Under the hood, the 2025 model retains its legendary 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, delivering up to 612 horsepower and 428 lb-ft of torque in the Performance Quattro variant. Power is sent to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear shifts. The R8 can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just about 3.1 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 205 mph. The Quattro all-wheel drive system enhances grip, making it a joy to drive on both dry roads and challenging conditions. The adaptive suspension and dynamic steering provide precise handling, making every turn feel razor-sharp. As for pricing, the 2025 Audi R8 starts at around $160,000 for the base model, while the Performance Quattro variant pushes closer to $220,000 with optional extras. Given its combination of raw power, luxury, and daily usability, the R8 remains one of the best supercars on the market. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Audi R8. See you in the next one.